All right, I'm going to show you the installation process for Netlogger. I've made a few changes since the last video, so should be a much easier installation process. I've also made a few changes to the program itself, just to increase some of the efficiency and call sign lookups. So let's just get started. I'll post a link to the installer in the GitHub repository. But ultimately, you're going to open that link. It should take you to this site that you're seeing on my screen here. This is GitHub, and you can scroll down and see information about Netlogger. There are some installation documents that you can click on the install guide, and it will basically tell you what I'm about to show you now. So what you need to do is you need to download Netlogger. So if you see the releases here in the page, if you click on that and give it a second to open, there it is, Netlogger version 0.1.2, and then you can download the Windows executable, and it's going to download it. And I'm going to do show in folders and then open it. So if you get this warning here, this is just telling you it's protecting against an unsigned application. You can click more info and then click run anyway. And it will prompt you for a location. I've already installed it once, so it's going to give me a warning that this location is already there. So I'm going to click next. It says it already exists. Yes, override it. I'm going to tell it to create a desktop shortcut. Click next. And then it gives you a summary of what it's going to do and install. And then it asks me, do you want to launch it? So I'm not going to launch it right now, so I'm going to uncheck that and click finish. So I'll minimize these windows here, and this gives you an idea of what it looks like. So here's the Netlogger icon. If I double click that, it's going to run a server process, so it's running in the background. And so it automatically opens to the website. You can see up here that it's 127.0.0.1 and port 8088. That is basically a web server running on your local host. If at any time you want to quit Netlogger, you'll have to come back to this control window here and click the quit button. So everything else is pretty much the same. So I can see here that the FCC database is unavailable. For the first time that you install this and run it, you're going to want to click Update FCC Database. And it's going to download, it's going to go out to the internet, go to the FCC site, and download the entire amateur radio call sign database. And this initial run will take, I think it takes up to 4 minutes, depending on your internet speed. So we'll let this run, and then once it's done, you can start using it to take to manage nets. And so there's another video that shows you how to do that. So I'm not going to belabor that point here. Went pretty quick this time. FCC database updated, and there's 817,000 active call signs stored on your machine. And so again, I'll refer you to the other document on how to use Netlogger. One change that I made that you'll see that's not documented on that video is now when you enter a call sign, I'm going to look for WD5 EFY. And it doesn't find it in the known stations, but it finds it in the FCC database. So this was not a feature before. You actually had to click on the button to perform the search. Now it searches as soon as the call sign is entered, and then I can add them. Now, if we had been running a net and I had clicked started net, then that call sign WD5 EFY would have shown up in the checked in location. So I refer you to the YouTube video on how to use Netlogger for any more information. But that's it. Hopefully this will work for you. It's a one-click install. Download the Netlogger executable, double-click it, install it, and hopefully you should be good to go. If you encounter any issues or errors, send me an email, and I'll try to get that updated as soon as possible. All right. Enjoy using.